In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate emails in Monday.com so you can save time, reduce manual follow-ups, and keep your projects moving without lifting a finger. Whether you're managing clients, tracking leads, or coordinating internal tasks, email automation inside Monday.com can completely streamline your workflow. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the testing step. And if this video helps you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, open the specific board where you want the email automation to run. Automations in Monday.com are board-specific, which means the rule you create will only apply to that board. So make sure you're inside the correct project, CRM pipeline, task tracker, or workflow before continuing. At the top of the board, you'll see a menu bar. Click on the Automations button. This opens the Automation Center for that board. Here, you'll see a list of suggested automation templates. If you want something quick, you can choose a ready-made template. But to fully control your setup, click on Create Custom Automation. Now it's time to choose your trigger. A trigger is the event that tells Monday.com when to send the email. One of the most common examples is, when status changes to something, send an email. For example, when a deal moves to 1, when a task is marked complete, or when a status changes to urgent. Select the trigger that matches your workflow. You can customize the exact status value in the next step. After selecting your trigger, Monday.com will prompt you to set up the email action. If this is your first time using email automation, you'll need to connect your email account. Click Connect Your Email. You'll then choose between Gmail or Outlook depending on what you use. Select your provider, log in, and approve the permissions. This allows Monday.com to send emails on your behalf securely. Once connected, you won't need to repeat this step for future automations. Next, configure the email itself. Start with the recipient field. You can either type a static email address manually or select a dynamic email column from your board. Using a dynamic column is powerful because it allows Monday.com to send emails to different recipients automatically based on each item's data. Then add your subject line. Make it clear and relevant. After that, write your message body. This is where personalization becomes important. Click the plus icon to insert variables. You can dynamically pull in values like the item name, status, date, or person assigned. For example, you could write, "Hi, regarding item name, the status has changed to status." This makes every email feel tailored without you having to write them individually. Once everything looks good, click Add to Board. Your automation is now live, but don't stop here. Always test your automation to make sure it works correctly. Change the status or date on a test item to trigger the rule. Then check the recipient inbox to confirm the email was delivered as expected. If something doesn't look right, go back into Automations and edit the rule. And that's it. You've successfully automated emails in Monday.com. This simple setup can save you hours every single week and ensure no important update slips through the cracks. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.